वेट 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 आज के लिए मेरे टेस्ला से ही काम चला लो. Maybe I'll do a whole different belly dance special. I don't know. Oh, which type of voice, huh? Okay guys, this is my Safari history. I don't use Chrome on this particular phone. I have like 24 windows open, guys.
Are you a virgin? Say true.
Creation is. तथास्तु, मैंने सत्य बोला. परिवार भद्र वटकम कैलेंदम तंबोरटे नक्षणे तिरमम शलुगणी कली तोलन. So guys, I just put out a story on Instagram asking you to suggest what truth or dares I should take up. Well, you guys have responded, so here we go.
We're starting with a dare now. So show me your Google Chrome search history. Okay guys, this is my Safari history. I don't use Chrome on this particular phone. I have like 24 windows open, guys. I'm just showing you for effect, but I will read it out. I think that's more fun. Guys, and I'm promising I didn't delete anything. Just in case you were wondering, oh, something scandalous, there's nothing. Okay, so I have searched for witchy supplies for rituals. Okay, because guys, I work a lot with crystals. I've mentioned it. I think we'll be doing an episode on it. And yesterday was a good day to charge your crystals in moonlight. So I was searching for stuff, you know, like salt and incense and sage and all to do this energy cleansing. Guys, next was on Amazon, where I've written chiffon sari black floral. I get random moods, guys, before I sleep. Sometimes I'm craving a snack, and because I'm not snacking, it comes out in shopping. So I didn't order it. I have just searched for it, and you can see here there are all these sari varieties. Okay. What else? Okay, side tables and corner tables for drawing room. Rose gold watch with green dial. I didn't think highly of it in the morning, but सोने के पहले मुझे लगा, oh, imagine a watch like that. Yeah, guys, that's about it. Next one is तुम इतनी सुंदर क्यों दिखती हो?
Guys, सच बताओ. Would you like the honest truth? तो मुझे सुंदर दिखाने के लिए पूरा विलेज लगता है. विलेज नहीं, टीम लगता है, ठीक है. जब मैं सुबह सुबह उठती हूँ और गुड मॉर्निंग बोलती हूँ, मैं ऐसे बिल्कुल नहीं लगती. पर ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. एक टीम है, निशा है जो मेरे बाल करती है, ठीक है. फिर मेकअप होता है, फिर कभी कभी मैं लेंसेज पहनती हूँ जैसे मैंने अभी पहनी. कॉस्ट्यूम होता है, एंड देन देयर इज अ डीओपी लाइक वी हैव प्रवीण न्यूज, लाइक जो डिसाइड करेंगे कि शूट कैसे करना है, कौन सी लाइट में सुंदर लग रही है. उसके बाद गाइस कभी कभी फिल्टर भी लगता है इंस्टाग्राम के लिए, और इसके बाद आप सोचते हो वाओ, ये सुंदरता की मूर्त मेरे सामने. बट जस्ट टू लेट यू नो, इस इफेक्ट के लिए बहुत सारे लोगों की हेल्प लगती है.
मूवी इंडस्ट्री सेक्सुअल कमिटमेंट और नॉर्मल और रूमर?
ओके गाइस, दिस इज ए 50-50 आंसर. नॉर्मल तो बिल्कुल नहीं है. एट द सेम टाइम आई थिंक पूरी तरह रूमर भी नहीं है. नो, एज फार एज माई जर्नी गोज गाइस, आई हैव नॉट एक्सपीरियंस्ड इट. ये मैंने अपने प्रीवियस वीडियो में भी बोला था. मेरे साथ काफ़ी आसानी से मेरी मूवीज़ हो गई, और मैंने सिर्फ साउथ में काम किया है. Mostly I started with Telugu, Tamil, Kannada. So I haven't had, Malayalam. I haven't had this experience. But then there are girls I have met whom I would trust as humans, because you know, you have a personal thing about, I think they're telling the truth, and they have some stories to tell where they were offered in that such and such way, you know, in exchange for a certain role or a project. तो जहाँ तक मैं जानती हूँ, पूरी तरह रूमर भी नहीं है, but नॉर्मल बिल्कुल नहीं है.
Can you do some belly dance?
नो गाइस, आज के लिए मेरे टेस्ला से ही काम चला लो. पूरे फुल व्यू में है, एंड मे बी आई विल डू अ होल डिफरेंट बेली डांस स्पेशल. आई डोंट नो, थोड़ा वर्कशॉप करने के बाद. मेरा मानना है कि अगर एपिक लगे तो ही अटेम्प्ट करना चाहिए. इफ आई डू एन एवरेज बेली डांस, आई वोंट बी एबल टू स्लीप टुडे. सो फॉर नाउ दिस इज इट गाइस.
Which type of boys are you into?
Oh, which type of boys, huh? Preferably the ones who grow into men, क्योंकि मुझे मम्मी बनने का कोई शौक नहीं.
I want a photo with you, Akka.
Okay. I don't see why that's a problem. Whenever we meet, I guess next, I would be happy to give you a picture. So guys, also elaborating on this, जिनको photo चाहिए, sometime soon in the near future, fan meet जरूर होगा. मुझे पूछो मत कौन सा महीना और कौन सा day और कौन सा साल. I really don't know. Just sometime soon, like within the next 5 years, for sure.
Dare you to take 3 push-ups.
Okay guys, I will honor it, but I will modify it. मैं wall push-up करूँगी. ठीक है? I'm not saying no. Let me check my muscle strength. I hope that's a flattering angle you're shooting it from. If not, it's still fine. Pillar पे करोगे? Is it ठीक है? Oh. Yeah, I'll have to do it on pillar. Guys, I've been working out. आपने 3 बोला, मैंने 6 दिए.
Are you a virgin? Say true.
Sure, why not? I mean, since you asked and it's something that means something to you, I guess I'll just be one. है ना?
I dare you to sing a Malayalam movie.
I think you meant Malayalam song. I'll need someone from my team to sing with me, but I'll start. It's okay. I watch it on YouTube every day. Guys, please excuse me if the pronunciation is. परिवाल भद्र वटकम कैलेंदुम तंबोरटे नल्लक्षणे तिरुमुमुशलुगानी कळि तोळंगे अंगडंगडे परिवाल भद्र वटकम कैलेंदुम तंबोरटे नल्लक्षणे तिरुमुमुशलुगानी कळि तोळंगे परिवाल Guys, that's it.
What is your favorite comfortable dress?
Comfortable dress, a cotton nightie. I think we should do a whole episode on it. It deserves its own episode. मेरे माइंड में वो कंट्री का अनऑफिशियल नेशनल ड्रेस है. कश्मीर से लेके कन्याकुमारी तक द नाइटी रूल्स. तथास्तु, मैंने सत्य बोला.
I dare you to share the favorite picture in your gallery.
Okay. Guys, just for GK, as of today morning, I had 13,700 photos, which is my favorite. This is cute there. Let me see. Oh God. Guys, 14,000 photos है. मेरे को 2 minutes दे दो. Okay guys, this is from couple of years back on Diwali. It's me and my sweetheart. Yeah, this is among the favorite ones. With 14,000 pictures, guys, I will have more than one favorite.
I dare you to take my virginity.
To take it. No, I don't think I want it only. I'm not doing this dare. What would be an appropriate response for this?
This is fine.
Fine. पर चाहिए नहीं तो डर कैसे हो?
What is the brand face wash using for your face, Poonam?
Brand face wash. Wait. Guys, I'm just thinking for a bit because there are new products like every single day, and much as I keep preaching कि consistently वही product use करो, वो temptation तो होता है कि कुछ नया try करना है. So, if I'm not mistaken, it's a brightening face wash from Cetaphil that is currently on my bathroom shelf.
Would you hang out with small guys?
I didn't. I'm guessing you mean younger or maybe shorter than me, which is fine. That's totally cool. That's what I understood. Yeah, it's fine. I don't see why I wouldn't hang out with humans I'm having fun with.
Dare to talk about your armpits, how sexy they are.
Nahi. I cannot talk about them. I have no clue what you guys are talking about. And in all honesty, My response is kind of blank, guys. I don't get the fuss about it. And ये मेरे मतलब ये भी मेरा ज़माना है. But while growing up, I didn't encounter anything like this. I feel like this is a new phenomena that is kind of come into the heads of people. So I'm viewing it, but I can't comment on it. I don't have an opinion on it.
Poonam, are you going to Big Boss Tamil season 10?
Tamil, Telugu, Hindi, Martian language, any language, guys. I will not be going to Big Boss. I'm not a fan of watching it or taking part. And season 10, 11, 12, gazillion, no.
Send me your most embarrassing pic.
Embarrassing pic. Guys, 14,000 pictures I'll have to search. I don't think I've kept it. No, guys, I got nothing.
What role or movie did you regret taking at first, and what was the big lesson it taught you?
Okay, guys, I'll be very honest about this. I don't do regrets. Not like consciously I don't do it. I don't get the feeling. Because I'm extremely forgiving of my past. हमेशा मुझे लगता है that with the best that you knew at that time, you took the best decision that you could take. And it turned out right. So there were movies where I think after I finished shooting or after it got released, there were people, well-wishers from the industry and family who were like, this you shouldn't have done. So I felt bad that they felt bad. But if I have to be honest about it, I had no regret. Lessons are, of course, I think even today I'm learning as I'm doing acting and everything. There's always something which I still need to work on. And there are some things I need to mess up 3-4 times before I learn. I'm not proud of it, but some things I've been a slow learner. So lessons so far, I think, would just, as much as possible, go on the set prepared. Because everything that didn't work out very great was only because somewhere I was not prepared or I didn't know what was going to pan out the next day. That's the only one. Projects, otherwise, I'm really happy to be part of everything that I did, including the ones that didn't work out so well. They were still very, very intrinsic in, I think, sorry, this sounds cliched, but in helping me become who I am today, because that's a fact.
What is your body count for sex?
Guys, that is... Okay, this comes under dare, is it, answering this? Okay, I assure you it's a single digit.
What's a secret talent you have that few people know about?
There were very few people who knew until 36 hours back, I think. But it is a default setting for like mimicking people. We did a whole episode on it and now a very large chunk of the nation knows that I mimic people. But it's something I do without being asked to do. I cannot narrate a conversation normally. मैं सबकी नकल करके दिखाऊंगी who said what in which way.
Poonam ji, who's your first crush and what's your age on that?
Okay guys, since you haven't specified asking whether it's a celebrity crush or a non-celebrity crush, the earliest recollection I have is from around, I think it was the year 1989 or 1990. Yeah, I was 4 and it was Shah Rukh Khan from this serial called Fauji that used to come on Doordarshan. And I didn't know his name, but you can ask my mom. I just went on telling, oh, I'm going to marry him one day. Yeah, I didn't know what marriage is either, but yeah, that was my first crush on record.
Can you give me you? I dare you to give me you for the rest of my life.
Rest of your life? Okay, sure, I will be there with you for the rest of your life. Just that I will appear only on your phone. I think you just need to open like Insta or FB and I will be right there on your explore page.
Good food or good sex?
No. Okay guys, my taste. No, that's just... Okay, sorry, I have to take a stance here. और मेरी taste काफी पंजाबी है इसके मामले में. So I will have to go with food. Doesn't mean it negates the second option, just that I think I'm a very nasty person when I'm hungry. Okay, so that issue has to be addressed first. Then we move on to other finer things. So I would say good food first.
Do you have a boyfriend?
Always. Of course I do. I still have one. Yeah, I do.
I dare you to share your real response on fans' Tesla comments.
My real response, guys. If you're ready for it, I don't know, but I actually do before posting one with the Tesla. Of course, I do that. But this is my actual response. So guys, I hope you enjoyed watching the video. Thank you for sending in so many responses. I think in half an hour's time. I hope you enjoyed the dare where I did push-ups. Wherever else it was possible to do the dare, I think I have attempted at least. And it was a whole lot of fun answering these questions and actually knowing what you guys are curious about. So guys, if you liked this episode, please send me your feedback in the comment section down below. This was super fun shooting for, and hope to see you soon.